Good morning, everybody. We are live. We are back. Let's get this show on the road. We are going to be trading the New York session today. Oh, sorry. I just woke up, y'all. Woke up a bit ago and getting ready for this first stream of the day. And we're going to be trading the New York Open. I am going to have to cut out in between to go hit the gym, but I will be back after that. But for now, we made $400 yesterday on one of my funded accounts, 455. We're calling it there. Now we're switching to this other one, and we are just going to be trading. Kind of wild that on Tuesday we had just a full-on move up. Let me try to go find that for you. This is what happened, and now we are retracing back down. So if we go to the daily chart, let's see what we are looking at here. Kind of bonkers to believe that we're coming back down, but huge move up. We kind of have a gap down here at the 28,400, so 28,350. This gap right here. So right now, technically, if you look on the daily chart, we are in a bull trend, right, on the daily chart. But overall, we're not trying to trade the daily chart. Those are big swings, and I don't have enough capital for that. So right now, we are 5 minutes away from market open. We did have, I think, initial jobless claims at 7:30, which is going to be this candle. My camera's blocking it. Nothing really happened, okay? Nothing really happened. And I don't think we have any other news as well. So at least today's Thursday. We have S&P Global Services, wholesale, and natural gas. Yeah, I mean, nothing really today. So gonna be interesting day as always, you know. Always interesting. Oh. 4 minutes. Gotta make sure we are hydrated. Gotta always stay hydrated, folks. Gonna be an interesting battle. We have VWAP up here at 29.5. Let's get my pivot points come in. Yeah, VWAP is up at 29.5. Do we try to make a retrace to the upside today? Or do we just continue selling down? Because, I mean, we still have all the way to 29.250, around 242, before we see really the next first level of resistance. Well, I guess support would be right here. So 29.240 over here. This is where we first pulled back. So do we try to cover this move at the open? Or what are we getting? And I'm gonna be trading some other evaluations as well. Right now, these are the only funded accounts I have left with Apex. So I want to try to keep these and not really. I don't want to try to blow them out. Gonna try to be smart. Got a minute 45 seconds left until New York Open. Let's try to see what happens. Gonna have my pivot points. So pivot point, we have one down here, 29.192, right at the bottom of this. Basically, we pulled back here and then we just shot absolutely straight up. So we're gonna go to this pivot point first, or do we rebound, go up to VWAP? Is the ultimate question. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, get ready. Get strapped in because we have about 20 seconds left until we're going to open it up. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. Woke up just a bit ago, so gotta make some money. No, I'm just kidding. Let's be smart. Wait for something to happen here. Let the market figure out what the crap it wants to do first. I think ES and NASDAQ have not really been weren't moving the same as much yesterday, so right now we are moving up. VWAP kind of makes sense. This is where we really start to reject up in this area up here, so looking like the bulls are losing steam. We are moving on down, folks. ES still holding up. Looks like the bulls are winning this battle right now. Just have to sit on our hands. See what the market wants to do. Straight just ever since 8:45. No, we've just been selling yesterday. So Asia open. Yeah, I mean, we've just been going down since Asia, so. Are the bulls looking to come back in and take control? Sorry, bears. The bears are the ones that wanted to go down. We're coming up. We get the pivot point down here, 29,200. Let's let the market do what the market wants to do. If you guys are wondering what these white little dotted lines are in the bag, that's just like a little, I don't know how to explain it, chart thing that TraderVay has. I didn't put it there. It's just by default. And they are not indicators. I will tell you that much. It is not. First 3 minutes are out of the way. We are now watch as it reverses here. That would be absolutely disgusting. Would not be would be disgusting. But do they really want to reverse? Again, just gotta tell myself there's no rush to get into trade. ES moving back on down, so if That NASDAQ moving on up. Are we about to get this reversion? Oh, yo. All right. Looks like it to me if you're asking me. Give it 5 minutes. Oh yeah. Bulls are back. Got about another 30 seconds until we print this next candle. Probably let's go along here. I just don't like it because ES is not. Here we go. Bulls are coming back in strong, looking good. They're just gonna keep on going up. Oh yeah, that was the move to get long here. That was the move. So coming up back to VWAP now, coming back onto this junk, kind of just absolute resistance up here, 29,520. Glad I didn't go short down here. I just didn't have a good feeling about it. Did not have a good feeling about it. What a reverse though. I mean, you're looking over 100 points. Oh, 100 points. Alright, don't tell me it's gonna reverse here now too. Are we gonna get this choppy reverse today? I hate trading those the most. I like to just keep it simple, little pullbacks and get in right. Sometimes even counter trend trade. Just a quick little points. Looks like the bulls are still a little bit strong here. They look like they're giving it up. Got about 15 seconds left until we get a new 3-minute candle. Hey yo, what's going on? Sorry y'all, I'm bringing up my other screen. I probably should get 3 monitors so I can have my stream and everything pulled up correctly. But right now I just have 2. I mean, it gets the job done. To be honest, I don't need more because what I have is good enough. Alright, are we setting up for a bull flag? Or is this just a reversal now? Back to the downside. That would suck. No. Bull said hold my bear. Yeah, ES and NASDAQ are not moving in congruence right now. They're doing the opposite of each other. Not the hugest fan of that. But I mean, hey, if you caught the bottom, good job. Good job if you did that. There we go, bulls are about to push back through here. All right, what's happening here? Got about 30 seconds. If they close back down here, I mean, not really good for the bulls. They want to close up here to keep driving it up. You got this level up here, resistance. 29,520, and then you got after that 29,600s. I will not lie either. It is definitely a little bit different trading full time than it is trading like part time while working a full time job. We're looking good here. I'm kind of looking to take a short. See if the market wants to come tag me up here. Take out the highs, just do a fake wick and then come back down. Or I do not get filled in. We'll wait. We will wait. Here comes their stair stepper of death. Starting to form it. Right. And pop green. There we go. Let's go for a quick little 10-pointer. Little 10-pointer, there we go. Call it there for that one. He is moving back up, so both are finally starting to move in congruency a little bit. Here we go, we're coming up to VWAP. Do they blast through? Is this where the bulls get the final shot up to 29,500s? take a short up here, see if we want to get this, tag me in and bump it back down, or I don't get filled. Alright, we'll wait for this next candle to print, see if we can get this to close here, close back down. Next candle tries to print green again. Nope. Not a good close. I'm out. I'm out, Girl Scout. Here we go, stair stepper of death. Just pop, 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 pop. That's what I like to call it. Finally above VWAP, so we're now coming to, I guess we're starting to form the chop. Consolidation. One of the strategies I like to play is playing the range. Let's go, can we get this 10 point? Oh, come on, really? There we go. Piece of crap. So we're up 200 on 2 accounts. We are up 455 on the third. I think we still got an opportunity here. We're starting to form this chop, so realistically, I think this 32 will be the next one that I would be trading. Something like that. I might not get filled in here. Hey, yo, good. All right, I'm glad I didn't get filled. Ah, boy. These Mondays are gonna take a little bit of time to get funded. So 13. I mean, these are roughly around the same. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and just call it here for now for these funded accounts. I really want to be up more money, but I know that it's just the greed talking in my mind. Because I want to get to payout. These are basically, I've traded the minimum days that are needed to trade, but I just don't have the balance there yet. But I'm gonna have to remind myself not to be greedy, because the biggest 3 things that kill your trading, let me tell you guys, hold on. The 3 biggest trading killers is going to be greed, emotions, and impatience. And all those 3s I see it every time with myself and other traders as well, is that those are the 3 biggest things that will kill your account. So just realizing that you are in this position, and when these feelings come up, right, you start to feel these things come up, it's best to just walk away. So that's what I'm going to do here. I will be back to stream and trade the probably the afternoon session. I'll be back. I just gotta hit the gym first, and then I'll be back. But other than that, if you did tune in for this session, we are gonna be back live here in a couple of hours. Once I get back from the gym, we'll keep trading. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell, because I am streaming more often this year. So hope to see you guys back here in